Good morning, Dustin Troy back here at Supercar Sunday, and again, this is one of the reasons why we call it Supercar Sunday. And Jeff, you're kind of known as Mr. Miura.
Yep, I repair these. I've been repairing these for what, 25 years. I've worked on 65 or 70 of them.
Wow, that many.
Yeah. So this is my personal car. I bought it in 1985. It's an all original paint and the interior. Wow. So basically what you're seeing is the way it came out of the factory.
Unbelievable.
The motor, I rebuilt the engine, I don't know, 30 years ago.
Wow.
And I've been having fun with it ever since.
And it was a Los Angeles car? You found it in Los Angeles, or did you have to travel for it?
I found it in Georgia.
Georgia. And you had to why did you pick this over, say, a Ferrari or a Corvette? What about a Miura spoke to you?
When you look at this car, in my opinion, it's the most beautiful car in the world. It's just incredible. It's V12 power. It's the engine's in the back, 5-speed transmission, revs to 8,000 RPM.
Wow.
What gets better than that?
Wow. So, and what's the response from people when you're driving it on the road?
A lot of times people will pull up next to me and they'll go, "What is that?"
Right.
A Lamborghini Miura, and they get like, okay. They have no clue what it is.
You know, Sandy just brought in this Ferrari, and I was telling him, you know, a lot of people, unless you're a car person, don't know what they're looking at. You know, is that it's just a little silver sports car. They don't know what it is. And I think with Lamborghini, a lot of people think of the Countach and the Diablo and the more modern stuff with a big wing that are very ostentatious, very loud. And this is, I mean, this is a time, I mean, this is poetry. This is moving poetry.
That's right, it sure is.
Well, thank you for always coming out.
I've enjoyed every minute that I've owned it, and I really appreciate that I got the chance to actually own one of these when they were affordable.
Yeah.
Now I couldn't even pay the sales tax. So.
Yeah, it's you know, I was with a mutual friend of ours, another Jeff that has one, and
oh, Jeff Meyer.
Yeah, we're looking at some cars.
I'm the one that brought that motor back to life.
And you know, everybody in this world holds you in such high regard, and you are the true north when it comes to Miuras. You're the guy. And just, you know, appreciate you being out here all these years and sharing and driving the car, because people don't see these cars, and you know, it's inspirational to walk up and to see a car like this with a cool guy like you, see Sandy's Ferrari there, another cool guy, and we're just sharing our passion. So
thank you very much.
Thank you for always being here.
Yep.
So again, you know, the reason I do Supercar Sunday is you get guys like Jeff who just pull up in an unbelievable car and they just park it and walk around.
Theory has a little bit more vibration because it's not a 6 angle. But I can't remember the angle of what a V8 and what
I talked to Giugiaro last October, and we were fighting about what his best design was.
Oh, wait a minute, I couldn't hear you.
I was talking to Giugiaro last October.
Oh.